My name is Ian and I am a European, though if you were to ask me I'd say I was British. I've got a one true love, a real gift from above. When we come together we fit like a skiing glove. But we've never been skiing, that was just an example. I could have said our love burns like a Roman candle. Boom, flash, firework in your eye. Boy, I'm sky high and I cannot deny. When I look at her I get tongue tied and I end up in the corner cause I need a good cry. Her name is Janice, it's a female name, an extended version of the English Jane. Her hair is golden, her voice real smooth, with a smile that melts you, boy, that's the truth. She smells like heaven or a field in Devon that I used to camp in with my old friend Evan. So to conclude, I'm in love with Janice, and I'll say it one more time, and this time in Spanish. Amo, Janice. I love raising alarms, better call the police. Oh yeah, call the police. Yeah, that's right, call the police. Yeah, 999. What? Emergency services. Yeah, emergency services. Your assistance is required. Our love is on fire. Better call the fire department actually, because yeah, the police aren't needed here. That's the fire department and maybe even the ambulances, because you'll be going out on a stretcher when you see our love. It's so, yeah, oh, love, fire, burning, it's hot, real hot. Oh.